Far from being worried that he might develop COVID-19 for a second time, from Downing Street, where he's self-isolating, Boris Johnson was upbeat about the nation's troubled test and trace system, saying it's working because, quote, it pinged him.
It doesn't matter that we were all doing social distancing. It doesn't matter that I'm fit as a butcher's dog, feel great. So many people do in my circumstances. And actually, it doesn't matter that I've had the disease and I'm bursting with antibodies. We've got to interrupt the spread of the disease. And one of the ways we can do that now is by self-isolating for 14 days when you get contacted by NHS Test and Trace. And I do it with a high heart, full of optimism and confidence.
But critics say that the Prime Minister came so close to an MP who is suffering from the virus is a sign that Downing Street is not COVID safe, and that shouldn't be worn as a badge of honour.
Well, there's COVID secure guidelines for Downing Street, and if you're in close contact though, because they were in a meeting for over half an hour, if you're in close contact, then one person tests positive, then you do have to abide by those rules, and that's exactly what the Prime Minister is doing.
England is now in the second week of its national lockdown, and while there are some positive signs the infection rate is slowing, the daily death toll remains high, and it isn't expected to drop significantly for some weeks yet.
I'm absolutely confident that together we can beat this disease. Don't forget, hands, face, space. Get a test if you have symptoms, and if NHS Test and Trace contact you and say you've got to self-isolate, then follow the rules. That's what I'm going to do.
For now, the Prime Minister will be governing via Zoom, and under the rules he'll be able to leave his Downing Street flat in 12 days' time.